Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do low-price, third-party replacement parts save you time and money? In this video, I'll share what is OEM, what are third-party parts, differences between, and should you buy OEM or third-party parts. OEM is the acronym for Original Equipment Manufacturer. That means the part meets the same requirements and is interchangeable with the original equipment part. It does not mean the replacement part was designed and made by the equipment manufacturer, or that the replacement part is completely identical. In this case, the insulation color and length are not identical. Manufacturers and their suppliers have the right to change materials and specs at any time. What matters is performance, reliability, and interchangeability. Third-party parts have been available for decades and are common in the automobile industry. Manufacturers or their suppliers can license other companies to make replacement parts during the patent period. At least they should be licensed by the patent holder. Unfortunately, online retailers make it easy for anyone to sell counterfeit parts. After the patent expires, anyone can make and sell replacement parts. The parts may or may not be OEM replacements. In this example, the connectors are different. And yet this part was included in a replacement part number search. The takeaway is, before ordering any replacement part, verify it's the correct part. The obvious difference between OEM and third-party parts is price. In some cases, the cost savings are significant. Some people become outraged when they find a third-party part costing far less than an OEM part. While third-party parts appear to be 100% interchangeable, they may or may not perform like OEM parts. I discovered that years ago when I bought a third-party camera battery. The price was 1/3 less, but so was its useful life. The shorter life also came with a lower quality latching mechanism. In August 2022, I wound up with a sheet of overbaked cookies. The problem was either the oven's temperature sensor or the electronic control panel. Since I'm thinking about replacing my 16-year-old oven, it didn't make sense spending hundreds of dollars replacing the control panel. A replacement sensor costs between $10 and $110. An OEM sensor costs $55 and up. Third-party sensors, $10 and up. The cost of having an appliance repair company replace the part was easily twice the cost of an OEM part. Since there were no error codes, I took a chance and ordered an OEM replacement sensor. My oven's overheating problem was fixed for about $60 and 10 minutes time to remove and replace the sensor. Why did I buy an OEM sensor and not a lower cost third-party sensor? Due to past experience with third-party parts, the fact I use my oven often, and performance and reliability was more important than cost. When you buy OEM parts, you get more than a brand name. OEM replacement parts should perform and fit like the original part. Some third-party parts claim they meet OEM standards, but only time will tell if that is the case. Like my third-party camera battery, you may notice immediately that the fit and performance are not the same. Unfortunately, online reviews are not a good indicator of part quality and longevity. Anyone can sell products online and add dozens of fake reviews. Discovering you bought a low-quality third-party part that does not fit or fails after a few weeks or months is frustrating and time-consuming. Before you buy, think about where is it used, how critical is the part, is it easy or difficult to replace, how important is performance and reliability, is it truly identical to the OEM part, is it made to OEM standards, what is the third-party seller, supplier background, and finally, part cost. While saving money is important, so is saving your time. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.